Are you pushing your body to the brink without even realizing it? Overtraining can silently sabotage your health and fitness goals. Weightlifters often cut back on calories, leading to nutritional deficiencies and serious health issues like anemia and cardiovascular problems. Pushing past your limits during high-intensity workouts can cause muscle strain, pain, and even micro-tears. Running too often can result in overuse injuries such as shin splints, stress fractures, and plantar fasciitis. Feeling excessively drained during or after workouts? Fatigue sets in when your body doesn't fully recover. Working out usually leads to a healthy appetite. However, working out too much can cause hormonal imbalances that can influence how hungry or full you feel. OTS can cause exhaustion, decreased appetite, and weight loss. Overtraining can affect your stress hormone levels, which can cause depression, mental fog, and mood changes. You may also experience restlessness and a lack of concentration or enthusiasm. Persistent injuries and muscle pain that don't heal are clear signs your body needs a break. Notice a decline in your performance? Overtraining can make you weaker, slower, and less agile. When workouts feel more challenging than usual, it might be your body signaling it's time to rest. Disturbed sleep and decreased immunity are other red flags of overtraining. Listen to your body and give it the rest it deserves. Along with feeling run down, you may find you get sick more often. You may also be prone to infections, mild illnesses, and upper respiratory tract infections. Exercising too much without resting enough in between can lead to low testosterone levels and high levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. These hormonal changes are often associated with loss of muscle tissue, weight gain, and excess belly fat. You may find it difficult to stay motivated to work out. This can be due to mental or physical exhaustion, the feeling that you're not achieving your fitness goals, or lack of enjoyment. Either way, try to make positive changes so you can feel inspired again. Take an extended break from training if you have any injuries that need time to heal completely or if you're experiencing burnout. During this time, stay away from any high-impact or intense forms of exercise. Give yourself time to make a full recovery. Individual recovery times will vary. If you take a complete break from activity, you can expect to see improvements after 2 weeks. However, it may take up to 3 months before you're fully healed. During this time, you can do gentle exercise to stay active. Listen to your body during this important time. If you begin training again and start to experience symptoms of overtraining, return to resting. To prevent overtraining, schedule regular rest days after long or demanding workouts. Take a break from targeting a muscle group for 1 or 2 days if you do weight or resistance training. At the same time, don't allow for too much time to lapse between workout sessions. Have a rest period during your workout. Rest intervals can be anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. If needed, reduce the volume and intensity of your sessions. Schedule active rest days that include low-impact activities such as walking, yoga, or swimming. This will relieve muscle tightness and help you stay active while recovering from a strenuous workout. Plus, varying your activities helps develop your whole body. To balance your stress levels, you can also do relaxing activities such as meditation or yoga nidra. Get enough calories to sustain your workout by eating a well-balanced diet with plenty of carbs, protein, healthy fats, and fresh fruits and vegetables. Excessive training can be detrimental to your fitness goals. Develop a training program that balances different types of exercise that match your fitness level and goals. Rest your muscles after you exert them, and let yourself relax. Take days off to rest and recover, and allow time for plenty of low-impact exercise.